Namaste, I'm Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making Creamy Coconut Lentil Curry. This creamy, filling and flavorful recipe is so quick to prepare and will serve a hearty meal for the whole family as it can be made in large quantities at once. I'm going to show you how easy it is to prepare this recipe with some simple steps. If you're new here, I make easy vegan recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you'd like to see more vegan videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Let's get started. Step number 1. Cook the lentils. To a bowl, take around 150 grams of yellow split pigeon lentils and 50 grams of mixed red lentils and split green lentils. You can just use one type of lentils to prepare this recipe. Wash the lentils thoroughly and then soak them for 30 minutes. After that, add a pinch or 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder followed by half teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix and then cook the lentils. I am using a pressure cooker as it's easy and quick to cook them in it. Step number 2. While the lentils is getting cooked, let's start preparing the curry. To a pan, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. Then add 1/3 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. You will see that it will start to crackle and it smells so good. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And after a minute of cooking them over medium heat, add 1 medium finely chopped onion. Stir fry the onion for a minute and then let it cook till it's slightly golden brown. Stir it in between to make sure it doesn't burn or stick to the pan. After around 5 to 7 minutes, you will see that the onion has slightly turned golden. At this point, add 1 finely chopped red or green chili followed by 5 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Switch the heat to low and stir fry them for 2 minutes. Now add 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder and cook for a minute. Then add around 150 ml of tomato puree followed by half teaspoon of salt. You can also use 1 finely chopped large tomato if you don't wish to use the puree. Mix and let it cook till you see the oil starts to separate from the puree. As you see that the oil is separating from the puree, add 150 ml of water swirled in the tomato puree bowl. You can just use water directly and let it cook. Meanwhile, the lentils are cooked. Look at that. It is cooked perfectly. At the same time, the curry is cooked to perfection as well. Add the cooked lentils to the curry. Give it a mix. I love this part as you can see the color of the lentils changing and it will turn into this beautiful orangish color. Now add the coconut cream. Technically, you can add the coconut cream along with the lentils, but I wanted to show you the color change. Mix till everything is nicely incorporated. Do a taste test at this point to check the salt level, and for me the salt is less. I'm adding another half teaspoon of salt, but feel free to adjust it as per your taste. Mix everything and let it cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Then switch off the heat and add some chopped coriander or cilantro leaves. Look at that amazing texture. It's just perfect. You can serve this creamy lentil coconut curry with some rice or chapati or naan. It is a healthy vegan recipe and is perfect for lunch or dinner. It takes less than an hour to prepare this and is packed full of delicious Indian flavors. And it is one of those recipes which gets tastier the next day. For the garnishing, I am adding some more chopped cilantro leaves and add a drizzle of coconut cream to make it look pretty. So if you like today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. As usual, I have listed all the equipment and ingredients I use in the description section. You can find the written recipe of this video on my website foodotomic.com and check out this delicious stuffed potato cake recipe. And if you're still looking for more vegan videos, you would definitely love this vegan playlist right here. That's all for today, guys. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.